Okay, so I'm at the Sussex County Farm and Horse Show Classic Car Exhibit. Let's take a look at the cars. Here's a Oldsmobile Cutlass, a LeBaron, a Fury. There's an old Corvette, Stingray, in Baby Diarrhea Brown. I like that color, actually. That's pretty nice. Here is Chevrolet Deluxe. Here's a maroon 1963 Cadillac. Chevrolet, 57 Chevy in pink. That is cool. Here is another Cadillac. There's a Beetle. Look at this classic Beetle. I like these. I love these things. Volkswagen. Chevy Bel Air. This thing's neat. There's the front. Another Corvette. Here's a modified Corvette. Now that thing over there is funny looking. I gotta check this out. Okay, so this thing is cool. So this is a Thunderbird. What is this thing? Well, that's a modern Thunderbird interior from a 90s one. This thing is so weird. Look at those wheel covers. What is this thing? Whatever it is, it's cool. Here comes an old Mustang. Oh, look at that color. Oh, wow. 67 Firebird. Red on black. That is a beaut. Here, I believe, what is this? 289 cubic inch. Model A, maybe? There's a Chevelle. That's pretty nice. Look at the color. It's like faded red pink. And look at that spot there. This is pretty nice. Here is a Corvette it's a convertible, blue with white roof. Is that what I think it is? That is a Chrysler Cordoba. That is beautiful.
We hid in the building.
Oh no, that's a Monte Carlo, not a Cordoba. What was I thinking? Look at this over here. What was I thinking? Why did I think that was a Cordoba? It was the lines, because I've seen one before in person. It was weird. It just looked like that. Corvette. Here's another Beetle. I love this one. It's two-tone. If I was going to get a Beetle, I'd paint it like this. That's pretty neat. I always love the interiors of these Beetles. Model A pickup with a wood bed. Now look at this. Okay, so it's an old Dodge. I'm not sure what year. My father will probably get mad at me for not knowing what year this is. But it's got a ram hood ornament. Suicide doors. Look at that interior. Let me just turn my flash off. Look at that interior. 3-speed manual. Here's the rear. Very nice. Here is a Model A fire truck. Here's a Model A, well, I'm just going to call it Traveler. Here is an old Charger, 440 Magnum. There's a Charger. 55 Chevy. This is another Tri-5. I believe, does this have a 3-speed? No, it's got an automatic transmission. Sweet. There's a modified Ford Little Deuce Coupe. It's pretty neat. Here's a trailer. Here's another trailer. Here is a Ford Fairlane Sunliner. Why doesn't it have the hardtop? Here's an old 1917 Willys. I have done a video on that in the past. Here's a Charger. MG. That one's pretty nice, actually. This is a kit car. Beautiful. MG kit car. It's a replica of a TD, I believe. 53 DeSoto. Power Master, I believe. Yep, Power Master. What is their fascination? Wait, this is a 3-speed. It's got a suicide knob. I like these These are neat. DeSoto. Chevy Impala. Look at that dashboard with those gauges. This is pretty neat. Ooh, here comes a Barracuda. A box front. Let's say. Oh, it's convertible. There's the back of it. There's that Chevrolet Impala. There's the front. Cougar. Mercury Cougar. Club of America. It's thundering right now, but there's the rear. Lincoln Mercury Division Cougar. And yes, the 1967 Fury. I could just take a look at the inside of that. There's the Fury and there's the LeBaron.